Hi, this is Heather from woodflowers.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a bouquet. You can turn this into a wedding bouquet or you can put it in a vase. We have some different types of greenery and we've already dyed our flowers. So I'm just going to show you the mechanics of how we put one together. So I like to start with the fluffy greenery, and usually I prefer using a couple different kinds, and we mix them together. And then I like fillers, so we put a little bit of filler in with it. We sell greenery and fillers on our website so that you can use all of this together. And then what you'll do is you'll just start building your bouquet. And so you create kind of a nest and you just start plugging them in. And you mix up the colors, mix them around. So I like to crisscross the stems to create a more secure bouquet, as opposed to just putting them all around the edges. That's what we do with the fresh flowers to help give it the look and have everything turned different directions. The nice thing with these is that they're on wires, so if you need to, you can bend them in or out a little bit to put them with where you need to go. And so you've got the mix of the different colors. You've got some of your fillers in there, a little bit of hanging fillers, your greenery. You got some of the more natural, the natural flowers. So I got a little too many down here. Just pick those off. So now to finish it off, whether you're doing a bouquet or whether you're putting it in a vase, so we use bind wire, just Oasis bind wire, and then you can wrap your stems. You want to make sure to get it tight so that you're not losing any of your flowers. I like to wrap it really good. And then you'll just want to tie it up. So now you've got your stems all wrapped. You can trim your bind wire. And then use your wire cutters to trim your stems down to where you want them to be. So then at this point, if you were doing a wedding bouquet, you can wrap your stems in ribbon, you can wrap them in beads, you can wrap them in different kinds of things to kind of cover up and hide the metal stems. Or if you put it in your vase, you've got flower arrangement. Thanks for watching. For more instructional videos, head over to woodflowers.com. We also sell all the supplies, flowers, greenery, filler, and everything else you can need to make a beautiful wood flower bouquet. Thank you.